everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making our own turbo kit for the Honda Acty K truck. All of the stuff behind me that you see has more or less been provided by Stainless Brothers. Thank you guys for really hooking me up with all the essential pieces needed to get this project done. I have Dan from Fuckers Fab here. You can find him at Fuckers Fab on Instagram, correct?
Yes, sir.
Dan is the man. He is going to be working through this project, kind of instructing me, teaching me the ways while leading the way, because you really need someone with just tons of experience to go down this path.
So here we go. We have a lot of stainless, 304 stainless supplied by Stainless Bros. We have a 1 7/8" to 3" billet collector, and then another Stainless Bros T3 to 3" turbo collector, or 4" for the awesome tip that we're going to be doing outside the K truck, a bunch of tube, Mike Furick starter pack right here. It's a must-have. I fabbed this up yesterday at work to keep the flange flat under welding. I will be making some future modifications to allow back purging in each runner. And then we have all the smooth mandrel 90s. These are all 1 7/8". So this will come off the turbo flange to the merge collector to the turbo collector, which will go 3" to T3. And that's about it, really. We have a awesome purge kit by TIG Aesthetics. If you're not back purging your exhaust, you're not doing it right, with the quick disconnects. And then we have a Flame Tech dual feed regulator to feed our welder and feed the purge plugs at the same time. So that's, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what we have. And yeah.
So we've decided to upgrade to the Pulsar GTX 3076 Gen 2 Turbo for the tiny truck. It's going to give us a quicker spool. It's going to be better response. It actually comes with the V-band on the rear that we needed, so we don't have to modify the old turbo. So I'm excited about this. This is going to be a superior unit to what we were using. And the end product, for all of our hard work, for all of Dan's hard work, this is going to really outperform the previous setup. But we are going to be using the previous turbo on a different build, so don't worry if you were excited about the smaller frame turbo. It will be coming back in the future. But today we're moving to the Pulsar, and it's just going to be an absolute menace on the street. The new Pulsar is mocked up in place. And you know what we do. We do zip ties over zip ties over zip ties. You really just have to work with what you got. We've got our nice little T3 to 3" billet collector in place. And now Dan is going to start hatching the master plan, piece by piece, little bit by little bit. And hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have the beginnings of something great. Homemade pie cuts.
Yes.
Dan
By
just-
hand.
By hand.
By hand.
Dan just banged those things out.
By hand.
We lost a sanding
Yep.
disc. I thought I was going to die.
Yeah.
We're good to go.
Almost lost a finger.
Almost
but it's
lost
all
a
good.
finger. Yeah.
We got it.
Fine.
Yep, we're
Don't
good.
worry about us.
Yeah.
Everything's
Yep.
going great here. We got a roll of duct tape.
Yep. AKA gaffer's tape. But yeah, duct tape.
If you're going to mess someone up, call it gaffer's tape.
Yep.
Where's the gaffer's tape at? Just give it to me. You know you have it.
Doing me hard.
So this is what Dan and me and Dan, mostly Dan, he's been banging this thing out. I've been the best help that I can be. So the interesting part is, and I'm learning and watching as we go, which is a super huge benefit of Dan coming over here and like instructing me, showing me the way, is that this is mock-up-ish. He is now going to come and remove all of the tack welds, remove this, remove that, and he's going to be filling the tubes with gas, back purging, and then welding them up individually, then putting it all back together. It's wild. I didn't know that this was the way, but this is the way. And so I'm just going to stand back, observe, and document so the world can see how this goes down. There's a quick peek at our turbo manifold. Looking really slick, really smooth. He did a fantastic job. We said when he comes back, we're going to finish welding up the flange to the tubing and finish up the collector to the tubing. That's what we're lacking on that. After that, we'll work on where our wastegate's going to attach. We're going to get this collector met up to this collector, and then after that, you know, we can just figure out the dump and figure out the exhaust. Plenty of raw materials left to work with. Got a whole drawer full of fun stuff. But this is it, guys. We're starting the turbo kit, and I feel for a Saturday, Sunday in our spare time, fantastic progress has been made.